How do you send your AANP license verification to different boards of nursing? If that is your question, then you came to the right place. I will be walking you step by step on how to complete this process. Hello, welcome to Nursing with Professor B. My name is Bridget. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you turn on that notification bell. That helps me tremendously. Question of the day is, where are you sending your license verification? Drop a comment below.
The first step that you want to do is go to www.aanpcert.org. And the website will look like this. You want to select sign in. You're going to type in your username and email address. Once you're logged in, you're going to select order a verification. Now this is absolutely free only if you are sending to state boards of nursing. There is no charge for verifications provided to state boards of nursing. Thank you, AANP, and God bless, because I have been applying to multiple state licenses and it is so expensive having to apply to each state independently and send transcripts independently. If you're not sending to a board of nursing, you will have to pay $40 for each verification. So you're going to select order a verification. You're going to select my state board of nursing because that's what this video is for. And it's this easy. You just select the state that you are applying to. So for example, just going to pick a random one. Your final screen will look like this, and this will have your name over on this side here. You see here that the list price is $40, but that you're being charged $0. It will have all their information here, their email, also that there's no payment info, that it's completely free. And then you would place order, and that's it. Make sure you help others find my video by hitting the like button, by subscribing, and by turning on notifications. Thank you and have a great day.